Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry fried rice. Achieving restaurant-quality fried rice starts with the right rice. Always use day-old, cold, cooked rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Gently fluff the rice to separate the grains, ensuring each one can absorb the delicious flavors. A super hot wok is crucial for that signature smoky, wok-high flavor, so preheat it thoroughly before you begin. Next, we build the flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like peanut or canola, in your hot wok. Add minced garlic and ginger, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, toss in your favorite vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and corn. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Now for the main event, the stir-fry. Push your cooked vegetables and aromatics to one side of the wok. Add 2 beaten eggs to the empty space and scramble them quickly until just set. Introduce the cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry everything together vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring even heating and distribution of ingredients. The final touches bring it all together. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Continue to stir-fry for about 1 more minute, ensuring all the flavors are well combined and the rice is heated through. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions. Serve your perfect stir-fry fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.